Hi there, Crafty Peeps. Enis from Paper Crafting with Enis, and I'm on today to do a share of my winnings from the Happy Crafter Shop. Lisa was holding a giveaway for a number of prize packages to celebrate her website's 1-year anniversary, and I was lucky enough to be drawn as one of the winners. So let's dig inside this box and see what I got. So excited. I always love getting boxes from her. So, wrapped up in her pretty pink paper as usual. Ooh, look at this. Okay, so I did get a package of these really cute crackle beads, and they look like they're probably maybe an 8mm, a 6 or an 8, I'm not really sure. Very, very pretty. Look at that. So pretty. Awesome. Thank you very much, Lisa. And then, I love the jelly beads. Oh, I've got some red and medium pink jellies in here. These are really cute. And you know what? I am going to say these are 6mm, and I'm going to say these are 8mm. I could be wrong, but yeah, look at how juicy those look. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Thank you again, Lisa. I love it. And, oh, here's some more beads. I'm going to push this out of the way. And these are, I think sometimes we call these pumpkin beads. They have like little lines on the sides of them, and they are multicolored. You'll see there's like a magenta, pink, and yellow or orange all mixed in there. But they have the little indentations on those. So those are really, really cute. Love those. And then she sent me a package of 2 of the heart-shaped acrylic pieces that you can put vinyl on. You can etch on these. You can just embellish them however you want. And she sent me 2 of the long skinny ones. These are like little tags. A pack of the silver circle sequins. Yummy, yummy. Gotta love those. Ooh, I love these. We've got the little, looks like rose gold puzzle pieces. So cute. And I'm loving these. I've used this on a project just recently. And these are the little keys with the hearts on them and the little gemstones. So pretty. Love those. And look at these little keys. I didn't even know she had these in her shop, but they do say love on them. See that on there? So cute. And a pack of the little safety pins with the hearts on them. They almost remind me of baby diaper pins. Oh, and I just ordered some of these. Now I'm going to have plenty extra. These are the very, very cute pastel color hearts, and they've got little lines on them with darker colors. So, so cute. And a pack of these pink and red beads, and I'm going to pull these out because these are pretty neat. Just grab one out. They actually have a hole that runs from the top to the bottom, and when you put your eye pin through there or whatever you're going to hang this on, it will show in the center of the bead. So those are really kind of cool. And then a pack of the pink and red disco beads, and I love these. These are one of my favorite beads. So, so pretty. And another pack of jelly style beads. Now these beads are glass, and these are more like a plastic or silicone, maybe that's what you want to call them, is silicone. And it's red and white, so these are super cute. Look at those. Love them. Thank you, Lisa. And look at this. Ooh, a multi-pack. I got the light pink, the peachy pink, and the mint green conversation hearts. And they do say love on them. Let me see. Anything else? I think they just say love on them. Look how cute those are. And those are beads that run from the top to the bottom. And then there's this cute little packet of beads. Now, I have not seen these before, but these are little tiny hearts. They're smaller than these. And they also are in beautiful pastel colors. Look at how cute those are. They remind me of candy. So that's everything that I won in this awesome package of goodies from the Happy Crafter Shop. Thank you so much, Lisa, for hosting the giveaways that you've been doing. I understand there are more to still go on. I did see a winner on Instagram. I think it was earlier today. And I want to send congratulations to you for your 1-year anniversary of your shop and wish you good luck for another year of successful business. And yeah, thanks everybody for stopping by, and I'll catch you on the next crafty video. See you later, Crafty Peeps.